Today is Friday, December 19th. This is a 1965-66 Cadillac driver's side door mirror. This is going to a 66 fully restored show quality Fleetwood for my friend Scott in North Carolina. The unit was completely disassembled. This is not an aftermarket. This is an original 59-56-990 as depicted here by the numbering code. So we can see that it's chrome plated everywhere. This unit was disassembled with the tensioning spring and the collar and the articulating rod and the stem taken apart from the base plate, and each of the pieces chrome plated separately, including the dome for the mirror, and everything was then subsequently reassembled and retensioned. And the nice thing about this design is you have a set-through collar that allows you to regulate the tensioning for placement of the articulation. Okay, so we articulate the mirror side to side this way and forward and back that way, okay, as well as rotating the head if necessary. Okay, so this is the 1965-66 Cadillac Fleetwood show quality driver's side articulating mirror for my friend Scott in North Carolina. Also, Jason, here I have a 76 mirror where I've changed out the joystick actuating, articulating joystick actually, for my friend Gall in Texas, and replaced the glass at the same time. This is shown and depicted in some of the earlier videos that I've done where the unit was disassembled. So today is Friday, December 19th. This is El Dorado, Georgia, in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the El Dorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Okay, today is Friday, December 19th. Thank you very kindly.